Hey guys, it's me G, back at Seven Oaks Preserve Trail. Let's get this trail run in. Just getting over to the lake. Check it out. 1 mile mark. There's that water inlet. And that first mile felt great. I'm liking this. Just past 2 miles. Still feeling very, very good. Here's a little boardwalk. Well, as the expression goes, we're out of the woods. I don't think I want to be out of the woods. So I bore left when I think I should have turned right. So I'm going to go back and do that. Okay, it was that turn to the right. There. So hopefully now we're on the right track. Okay, we got another road here. So I'm going to cross this road and then head over this way. We just clicked off 4 miles. I got a little turned around. I think parts of this trail aren't clearly marked as to which way they're going or which trail it actually is. Turns out there's multiple trails around here. But I did a little navigation and I believe I'm heading back toward the inlet trail. Okay, I'm joining now the main trail, or the inlet trail, back to the parking lot. So parts of this trail are marked pretty well and others are not. You would have to have been here before to know what is what. And that's not cool. I mean, a person could get lost. But I figured it out. No harm, no foul, I guess. Alright, that's it. 5.6 miles. I'll check the time out later. Trail marking could have been better, but we'll take it. Now on to the next thing. Quickly. Peace.